Alright, let's look at the homework 1.4, 1.5, problem number 13. Alright, so we have this piecewise defined function and we want to find the limit as s approaches 1. Alright, so let's do that. Alright, so since we have two separate formulas, we have to kind of approach from one side at a time. So let's look at the limit of f of s as s approaches 1 from the left, right? So since we are approaching from the left-hand side, so we have to look at the graph which is on to the left of s equals 1. So the first formula. So first formula is s, right? So in this case, we can simply plug in s is approaching 1, so s is approaching 1. So the limit from that side, so left-hand limit is 1, right? And if you approach from the right, so limit of f of s as s approaches 1 from the right, right? So since you're approaching from the right, we have to use the second formula. So you have a limit of 1 minus s as s approaches 1 from the right. But in this case, you have a 1 minus 1, which is 0, right? So since these two values do not agree with each other, so limit does not exist. So this guy does not exist, right? So let's type it in. All right, so we have D and E. All right, when left-hand limit and the right-hand limit do not produce the same number, then the regular limit, the both side limit, does not exist. All right, so let's check the answer. All right, I came back and looks like we got this one correctly here. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.